We're going to top off our discussion about the angle bisector theorem with one last example. The angle bisector theorem is when we have this angle bisector cutting through and we get proportional pieces. So A is to B as C is to D. The issue here is that we weren't given the A compared to the B and the C compared to the D. And so we're missing this piece that would make it a really nice and easy, simple problem to just set up into a proportion. And so we've been given this whole, and we've been given this part, and so if we can subtract this part to figure out what's left over. And we did that in the last example problem, but now this time we're gonna have to subtract the whole expression. And so I'm gonna have to do 39 minus this 4x minus 4 to figure out what this last piece is. This right here is gonna go in place right there. So when we subtract the 4x, we have to subtract not only the 4x, but we also have to subtract a negative 4. When we subtract that negative 4, it turns into plus. So then we've got some like terms. 39 and 4 make 33. And so 43, 43. Let's try that again. 43 minus 4x. And so this 43 minus 4x goes right in here. And now we can set up that proportion that we were talking about, comparing the 16 to the 36, left compared to the right, and then the left, the 4x minus 4, compared to the 43 minus 4x. Now, at this point in time, you could simplify this and divide top and bottom by 4. When we did this in class, I don't know that we simplified this, and so I'm just gonna cross multiply here. 43 minus 4x and 36 times 4x minus 4. So, dual distribution, 16 times 43 is 688. 16 times negative 4 minus 64x. 36 times 4 is 144x. And then another 36 times negative 4 minus 144. So I'm going to add 64x. And then I'm going to get 208x, because my 64x crosses out. Now we could do the 144 in one step. Let's take care of it in a second step here. Add 144. We get 832, 208x. And then we can divide by that 208. And we can get 4. So x is equal to 4. And so if we plug that back in, those two pieces should make sense, and those two pieces should add up to 39. But so we got x equals 4. Congrats, that's the angle bisector theorem.